Okay, what's up everybody? So real quick before this video begins, I have to explain how everything went down. Basically, me and my good friend Caleb decided to go on the Monkey app to ask random people different questions to get content for you all to enjoy. However, we ended up running into this guy right here, and his name is Angel. We heard him sing some stuff while playing the guitar, and it got me thinking, why not have his talent shown in not only this video but future videos as well? So go ahead and sit back, relax, and enjoy these conversations, and let me know if y'all would like to see Angel in a future video. Alright, let's get it. Man, it's gonna be another little mukbang right here in a minute. A minute, wait, are they the same thing?
Yeah.
Alright, man.
They're with pickles on it.
Wait, they're both spicy?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't eat pickles.
You just gonna take them off?
Yeah.
Alright, well. It's always Popeyes. Yo, so.
Oh, it's recording?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I guess I'll do a little unofficial intro. What's good, everybody? It's Diego Teo. And today, this man might look a little familiar. Trash Talker against P2. Man, how are y'all doing right now?
Oh,
You and P2, are you guys like talking? Are you guys in a good state of mind?
yeah, we cool for now. We cool right now. We cool.
So they're cool right now, and here's the thing. I've known Caleb for a minute, but P2 put it on his story, and he was looking for players, and I was like, I got you. And they started talking to the DMs, man, that trash talk, and then they played in person, and you guys saw how that went down, if you guys saw P2's video. But anyways, that's besides the point. We got the one and only Caleb right here. We're gonna be doing Monkey, going on the Monkey app. Oh, you tell a scary story?
Oh, shit. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was this guy. And he saw this girl. Oh, hey, appreciate.
Oh, you gotta keep telling the story? Or yeah.
So, what was that? There was this girl, right? And this girl, he started talking to this girl, right? And her name was Baba Shuluka. Yes, Baba Shuluka.
Yes. Here we go. First off, we're gonna start trolling people.
Yo, what it do?
Yo, what's good?
What's
so I
up?
have a quick question for you, okay?
You good?
I'm actually asking for my YouTube channel real quick. So, would you believe me if I said that we were twins separated at birth?
Yes.
Okay, why would you say that?
Because there's two different type of twins. There's a twin that look alike, and then there's a twin that don't look alike.
Huh?
And you guys can do that one.
Yeah, like the ones that black and white twin.
Fraternal? Is that fraternal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that?
Oh, I have no clue.
It's
Yeah,
like
I'm pretty sure
fraternal?
it's fraternal. I just
Oh.
don't want to say it because what if I'm wrong?
That's
Yeah.
All right, love you.
Yeah.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
All right.
Dang, she was nice.
Yeah, she was nice. She believed us, man.
Oh, yeah. Dang.
Hey, bro. Did you know we're actually twins separated at birth? Do you believe me?
I believe your mama last night, boy. Yeah.
Okay.
Who was that, bruh? Alright, I'm done. Would you believe me if I said that we're twins separated at birth?
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, bro. Thank you.
Word?
What are you eating? Hey, you trying to ask a question for my YouTube?
No.
You trying to ask a question? You trying to...
Wait,
What?
what? Alright, hey, you have a good day, alright?
All right, love you.
You too.
Love you. Wait, what did I say? I was like, you trying to ask a question for YouTube? Yo, my bad, guys. What did I say, bro? Yo, I'm gonna ask you a question for my YouTube. Are y'all down?
Yeah.
Okay. My bad. I had time. I got a call. Okay, so would you believe me if I told you that me and him are twins separated at birth?
No. I mean, maybe.
Why maybe?
I mean, aren't there like things that's possible? So.
Yeah, it's the black and white twin.
But is that true? Are you actually?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. It's pretty crazy, right?
And I see. Yeah. Did you see the other one?
You want to see proof?
Look,
Yeah.
That's me. You have yours?
Do you have mine? Oh, well, yeah, but it's on the back of my phone, and you know,
Okay. Sorry.
Oh.
we don't want to, yeah, we don't want to.
Yeah.
Yo, I have a question for you real quick.
Why?
Would you believe me if I said that we were twins separated at birth?
Or what?
All right, thank you for answering. Would you believe me if I said that we were twins separated at birth? How you gonna follow me and not say anything back? Okay, so that person just followed me, but like he's not gonna answer the question. Oh, all right, I'm about to do something excessive. Hey, are y'all down to go on a date, us four? Like a double date, kinda? Okay, so we roasting, bro. Add time. Hey, you on my YouTube video, bro? Add time. What are you playing right now, bro? Fortnite? Come on now.
Yeah, I'm playing Madden.
You're playing Madden.
Wow, wreck your shit in Madden.
Oh, shoot.
You got Xbox, huh?
What did you say?
You got Xbox?
Yeah, I got it. Let me appreciate it.
You. Doing the video.
What video?
My YouTube video. He'll be alright. Alright guys, we're just gonna ask people now who's better looking. Okay, quick question for you guys. If you're cool with being in my YouTube video. Simple question. Who's better looking out of two of us, you know?
The white one, 100%.
Yo, it's all good.
No?
Thank you. I
like-
appreciate that. We know it's about personality, but we were just like asking for fun, you know what I mean?
No. Yeah. Honestly, I think both of you guys low key. Both of you guys are pretty cute. Yeah.
Appreciate that. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
For real. The question of the day is pretty simple. Out of us two, who looks better looking? Add time. If you could, yeah.
I can't even see the other guy.
Oh, me?
Come on in it, Caleb. But yeah.
I mean, both of them are pretty cute. I'm gonna go with the right. I like white boys, so I'll go with the white boy.
So wait. Which of us is on the right? So.
The dreadhead.
Oh, best. So you know we each got a point. Okay, thank you, y'all. I respect that, man. Where are you guys from?
North Carolina, 910.
Yo, that's crazy. I'm supposed to be going out there in November.
Okay, bet. Out of us two, who looks better?
Blonde hair. Bye.
Appreciate that.
You said blonde hair?
Okay, bye.
Wait, what? I got Sprint.
That's right.
So out of us two,
Let's do.
us two, who would you rather date? Shoot, bro.
Whoa, never mind.
Alright.
Neither one.
Oh man, he roasted us. What, are you underwater, bro? Oh, it's a water bottle. Respect. Bless you. I don't know. I was just like, bless you.
I heard.
Oh my god. Yo, y'all good? Oh man. Yo, you play the guitar, bro?
Yeah, dog, you wanna hear a song?
Yeah, for sure.
What do you wanna hear?
Oh, just right on the spot, like anything?
If I know the song, I can improvise it and play it. But if I don't know the song at all, like that.
Man, you could just play whatever you want, bro.
Alright, it's called X Bitch by X.
I'll bet.
Bitch, pull up on the next bitch, like what's up your neck, bitch. Please open your legs, bitch. I'm not your daddy, bitch, but I can be your daddy, bitch. Got no legs to carry, bitch. I really wanna fuck to the Audi, bitch. Know your daddy proud of you. Real bad bitch with the attitude. No rules will be fucking you. Real night be coffee you.
We're actually like, we're filming like a little YouTube video right now. Like, are you down to be in it, bro? That was really good.
Hell yeah, but can I sing a different song?
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that was lit.
Lucid dreams.
Lucid dreams.
I have these lucid dreams where I can move my thing, thinking of you in my head. I still see shadows in my bones. Can take back the love that they gave you to the point where I love and I hate you. I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done, but you worked on. Send it to my heart instead of my head. You fall in nothing, but I am the better one. Only you look at me.
Dang.
Man, just off rip, like, bro, you good, man.
Appreciate it, dog.
Yeah.
Guess what I do?
How long you been playing?
Guitar?
Yeah.
A year and a half.
Oh, that's what's up,
Yes, sir.
man. It's just like a hobby. Like, you want to make it your career one day, or what's up?
Yeah, I'm planning on it.
Yeah, that's dope.
Bro, this one right here, bro, this song, all the females. All of them.
Ooh, bet.
Do you like the way I flip my coming now?
Oh, shoot.
You make the tip and go to deep. Can you do it, baby? Let me stop pressing you out now. I'm not the type to call you back tomorrow. But the way you rap on me is a problem. Ain't nobody trying to save her. Baby, get that paper. Bobby got a lot of other bitches on your favor. Often, girl, I do this often. Keep that pussy poppin'. Do it how I want it often. Yeah,
But wait, where are you from?
I stay in Texas, bro.
Texas? Damn. Keep on getting better by the day. Man, yeah, that's respect. Like, you got that going for you, bro, for sure. Like I saw talent. You know what I mean?
Thanks, I appreciate that.
Yeah, of course. Like, you got to try to do that, like, mainstream and for your career, because, like, you could probably go far, man. That sounded good.
We'll see.
Have you written any of like your own songs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's pretty
like
good.
3 songs.
All right, bet. Well, I'm gonna let you do your thing, man. But yeah, I'm gonna hit you. All right,
bro.
for sure, bro.
Hey yo, take care, bro.
Yeah, take care. You too. Man, that dude was talented. Y'all heard that man, Angel Castro, 18? Dude, he was pretty good.
Man, if y'all notice, Jess is always touching his wheel. How you unlock the door? Huh? How you unlock the door?
I don't know.
Aw, dang it. What happened?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh. Damn, I think I locked it. I don't know how to open the door. Oh, you trying to get in?
Yeah.
How you unlock it?
Oh, you push the thing up.
Okay.
No, on your side. No, on my side.
On your side? This is my side.
No, just drive the car. It's cool. You can have it.
Oh, shit, I'm moving. Oh,
Look what this man did.
what happened?
You spilled the...
I just spilled some gum. It makes your brush fresh. I got some mac and cheese.
Guys, for the mukbang, we didn't even have the mac and cheese or the fries ready. Give us a little run through of like what type of sauces it is.
Bayou. Oh yeah, and it's bold barbecue now. Whatever people call it. Get the little honey biscuit.
Hey, did you know honey's the only food that doesn't expire? Like, it doesn't go bad. You could keep honey for thousands of years, bro, and it like will stay fresh.
Shit, but same thing with grape juice. Grape juice, you know, that shit just turned into wine.
Is grape juice your favorite drink?
Duh. Why do you think I got a whole ass bottle in my room?
Alright guys, I have to be quiet because somebody's asleep right next door. But thank you all so much for tuning into this video, man. And I have some new stuff coming. Yes, always. And hopefully you enjoyed this one. I think there's not much else to say. This is the outro. Shout out Chance. I'm out this bit. See you in the next video. Yeah.